Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Cut It Open. Today we've got a combination padlock. And it's such a beautiful day, we're doing it outside. Okay, so we have a master fortress lock. It's got 2-year warranty. Maybe we'll be able to take it back when we're finished. Okay, so it's one of these ones where you turn right 3 times and stop at 15 and then back left, and oh, look, there's the combination. Anyway, let's do it. So I'm thinking the best way is going to be to try and split it straight around here so we can see all the mechanism inside. See what we got. Oh, some bits falling out. There you have it. So looks like there's some rotary arms there. That's on the back side. Sorry about the camera shot. Some rotary arms on the back side, and on the front side got the locking pin, locks into there, and then all these other little tabs fell out. So there you have it. That's what's inside a combination padlock. Well guys, there it is. Inside a combination padlock. There wasn't much to it. I was expecting more springs and levers and stuff like that, but there wasn't. It was actually quite basic. So anyway, thanks for watching on this beautiful day, and we'll catch you next time. You gotta love sunny Queensland. Beautiful.